Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can build an e-commerce website. So you can build one for yourself or for a client, or if you have an e-commerce business where you sell clothes and shoes, you can use this tutorial to build a website for yourself. So I'll be showing you how you can build this website from scratch without writing any single line of code, and how you can also use a free theme to build this website. Right? So in the website you can upload your products. If you go to your shop page, you see products which you can upload. Then if someone should click on any of the products, it will take them to this page where they can click on add to cart. They can select how many items they want and add to cart. Then they can click on checkout. So after clicking on checkout, it will bring them to this page where they can fill in their own information, their contact details and their email address. Then proceed to make payments by clicking on place order. So it will redirect them to this place where they can then make payments using Paystack. So they can now make payments using Paystack by inputting their details, their card details, or they can make a direct bank transfer. So after they've successfully made a transfer, they will then receive a confirmation email that a confirmation email showing that they've purchased an item. And you also, as an admin, you also see notification that someone actually bought from your website. So this is what I'll be showing you in today's tutorial. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do if you want to build a website, that you have to get a domain name and a hosting for your website. So a domain name is where your website will be accessible. So a domain name is more like your name, and while your hosting is where your website files will be stored. So to get a domain name, first thing you have to do is go to lighthosting.com. Go to lighthosting.com. Then you want to sign up. Click on the register button, the login stroke register button to sign up. But for me, I already have an account, so what I'll do, I'll just simply log in to my own account. Alright, so for these links that I'm using in this tutorial, I'll also drop them in the chat box so that you can also see them and click on them to use them for your purchase. So what we do is, once you've logged into your lighthosting.com, the next thing you want to do is you want to go under services. You click on other new services. Right, then you'll see some hosting plans. Let's say I want to go for this one, which is 840 naira per month. So I'll click on order now. Then I want to choose a name for my website. So I'll say Imanet Stores. Then I'll select .com.ng and I'll check. So I'll click on add to select .com.ng and I'll click on continue. So from here I'll change the billing cycle from monthly to yearly. So I'll select 12-month price. Then I'll click on continue. Okay, for then I'll have to input my username. Then I'll click on continue. Yeah, so it will bring us to this page. Then we click on checkout. Then I'll select a payment method. I'll be using Paystack. I'll click on I have read and agreed to terms of service. Then I'll click on complete order. Okay, so it will bring me to this page where I can make payments using my credit card, or if I want to make payment via bank transfer, I can pay for the hosting and the domain. So this is the money I'll be paying if I wanted to purchase my hosting and domain. But I will not be doing that because I'm only using this as an example. I already have a domain and hosting that I'll use. So this is the process if you want to buy your own, like for yourself, and you want to use for your website. So after you've made the payments, you receive a confirmation mail from lighthosting.com that your purchase has been successful. All right, you receive a message in your mail, something like this. The title of the email will be name servers and cPanel account information. So you'll see the details of the hosting and domain that you bought, and also how to log into your cPanel. So if you scroll down, you'll see your login details to your cPanel, and also you can log in from your Light Hosting user dashboard. So let's say I want to go to my account dashboard. Let's say click on my services. So under my services, you'll see the hosting that you bought. Like in our own case, the sample we used was immanentstores.com.ng. So if you click on your item that you purchased, then you see a button that says login to cPanel. So when you click on login to cPanel, it will take you to your cPanel directly. Alright, so that is how you can access your cPanel after purchasing your domain and your hosting. So I'm going to log into the cPanel of my already existing hosting and domain. Remember I said I already bought one for myself, so I don't want to buy another one. So I'll just log into my own cPanel. So when you log into the cPanel of the domain and hosting that you bought, you will get a welcome interface like this. So the next thing you want to do after successfully buying your domain and hosting is you want to install WordPress. So to install WordPress, you come to this place that says WordPress Manager by Softaculous, or you can just simply search for WordPress here, whichever one you choose. Then you click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Then you want to click on install. Want to click on install, then you select your domain name. So in my own case, I'll be using this is my domain. Well, by default, after you've bought your own domain and hosting, you'll see your domain that you bought here. That's what will appear there. Then you want to remove this WP in front of it. Then you scroll down and you set up your username and your password. Set up your username and password. So in my own case, I'll just save this. Then password be one. So you can copy out your password and keep somewhere. Put it in your notepad so you won't miss it. Then you want to so the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. You will unselect these plugins there. You uncheck those plugins. Then you want to click on install. So it takes some time then to successfully install this, and you have your link to your website and also the link to your WordPress admin dashboard. So you use the second link to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. So yeah, we've successfully installed WordPress on our domain. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is we want to do some setup and configurations. Alright, so we will go to our settings. Alright, then change the site title, change it to Imanet, then give it a tagline of collections. So you can put in your own business name. So let's say your business name is Shola Wears or Shola Clothings. It's up to you. So after that, you want to scroll down and click on Save Changes. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is we want to select a theme for our website. So the theme that we'll be using for our development, it will be Wostify. Alright, so to add a new theme to your website, you go to Appearance, then under Appearance you click on Themes, and then you add a new theme. Then you search for Wostify. So this is the theme we'll be selecting. So click on Install and click on Activate. Okay. So I want to check my upload limits for my media library to see if it's sufficient enough. So I'll click on add file. So it's saying 200 MB. I want to increase this limit. So to increase your upload limits, let's go to our cPanel. Go to your cPanel, and then you want to search for PHP ini. So click on multi PHP ini editor. So for some of you, your size limit might be higher, but in case yours is low, you can come here and increase it. So I'll select my domain, which is this. Then I will increase the upload limit to 200 megabytes, which is 2 gig, and also increase this one also to 200 megabytes, which is 2 gig also. So after that, I'll come back here and I'll click on Apply to save changes. So I'll come back here, then I'll reload my website. So let's say I click on add media file. You can see that the size limit has changed to 2 gig. So let's go back to installing our templates. So we'll go to Wostify. I'll click on Wostify, and then we want to click on Starter Sites. So under Starter Sites, you want to click on Install Wostify Library. So wait for some time for it to install. So it's activating. So after installing, we'll click on Activate Wostify Site Library. So it will bring us to this page to configure it. So I'll click on Start. Then I'll click on Free to select the free templates. So I'll be using this one. So I just click on Select, scroll down and click on Next. Then it will ask us to install the required plugins. So we just click on Install and we'll wait for some few minutes for it to install. So the plugins have been successfully installed. Then we want to click on to take us to this page, and it will ask us to import this content and widget. So click on start imports, and that will take some few minutes also, or seconds, depending on your network. So the import has been successfully done. Then we can click on view your website. So as you can see, our free theme has been successfully installed, and we have a nice looking website. So this is the sample we've installed. So we are going to customize this sample and make it look like what we want. So we are going to do some customizations, change the logos, add some products, and see how we can make this look like our own brand. So the first thing we want to do is we want to change the logo on our website. So we want to use our own brand logo. So we change this logo. So to do that, the first thing you will do is click on this customize button here. So to change the logo, simply click on the logo icon here to edit it. Then we'll see this button that says change logo. Then select the logo from your computer. Then this is the logo we'll be using. I'll just select this. And then you click on select. So we're going to crop the logo. Then I click on make this longer. Then I click on crop image. So there we have it. But seems our logo is too big, so come down here and reduce the size of our logo. So this is good. Then let's also see it on mobile to see if it's okay. Okay, looks too big on mobile, so we just also adjust the sizing. So that's fine. So click on, go back, click on the desktop icon. Now click on publish to save my changes. So if I should open the website in a new tab, let me click on publish to save changes again. Okay, so let's open our website in a new tab. So there we go, our logo has been changed successfully. Then if you go to the shop page, or before we go to the shop page, let's try and change our favicon also. So the favicon is this logo that usually appears at the top here. At the top, yes, somewhere in your browser. So let's change that also. So to change the favicon, click on change image. Then I'll select this. Click on select. Then I click on skip cropping. I don't want to crop this, so I just click on publish again to save it. Because if you don't click on publish, then your settings or your changes might not be saved and you might lose them. Alright, so I will be able to change our favicon. And so if you go to your shop page, alright, come to this one here, click on shop full width. You see that we have some products here that came by default with our sample templates. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of this product and add our own product. So to do that, you go to your dashboard and then you go to, let's refresh our dashboard. Then you look for products, then other products, you click on all products. Then you want to click on this to select all. Click on this to select all. Then you click on move to trash, then click on apply. So if you go back to our website and we reload, you see that all of those products are gone. So let's add our own product to our website. So in Immanet collection, let's say we sell wares. So let's add an example of a man's wear. So to add a product, you click on add new product. Then let's say the products we want to add is Ralph Lauren, or should I say let's say vintage t-shirts. So let's say vintage t-shirts. Then I also add a description. Let's say awesome t-shirts for men and all outdoor activities. Can go on to add some more description. Let's say available sizes. Say medium, large, extra large, and extra large. Okay, then so you can, this is just a demo. According to your product description, how you want to describe your product, you can write as much as you want here. So this is just a sample. Then what you want to do next, you want to add your product image. So to add your product image, you click on set product image. Now you can upload from your system as usual, but I already have some images here which I'll just use. So I'll just use this. Let's say I'm using this. So that's the product image. So I'll click on set product image. Then I want to click on let me add some more images to the products. So let's say let's add this and this. So I click on add to gallery. Right, so I'll add the pricing for our product. So let's say the pricing is 20,000 naira. Then I would come here. Let's say we want to add an inventory, like to list the available stock. So let's say we have 20 of these items in stock, and don't forget to set your price as we did here. Then after doing that, you want to click on publish. So another thing we should have done is we want to categorize our products. So let's say let's add a new category. So let's call it men. Then I'll click on add new category. I won't select this. Then add another subcategory, which is t-shirts. Call it t-shirts. So So the parent category will be men, then I'll click on add new category. So this particular product would be under men and it will be under the category called t-shirts. So come back here and click on update. So if you go back to our website and I click on reload, here we go. This is our product that we just added, and if I click on it, you see that we have the product here, we have the images here, but it seems like one of our image was not added. So let me go back and add that image. So I'll come back here, now select the third image, and drag it here. I want this to be first. I'll come back here and click on update to save changes. So if you go back to our shop page and click on refresh, so if we load our pages, what we have, so if I click on next, you can see the product images, and if I also scroll down, you can also see the description of the image. But let's say I don't want this description to be down here, I want it to be at the side here. So what I can do is I'll go back to my customize page again, a customize page, and I want to look for the option WooCommerce, and I want to select product images, or product single rather. Then under product single, I want to say product data tabs. Then I want to check this layout to be in product summary. So I click on publish to save. Then if I come back here and I reload, you see the description has come to the side here. It's no longer at the down. So it's right here beside our product images. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to change the currency of our products. So let's say we are bidding for a Nigerian brand and we want to change this currency from dollars to naira. So to change that, you go to your WordPress dashboard, then you want to go to WooCommerce, then click on settings. The next thing you want to do is you want to change your location from this to Nigeria. So let's say our store is located in Abia. Let's in Aba. So click on that is Nigeria, Abia state. So we want to change our currency to Nigerian naira. So change it to naira, and after changing that, you come here and click on save changes. So if you come back here and we click on refresh, so you see our price has changed from dollars to 20,000 naira. So that's how you can change your currency for your products. Now the next thing we want to do is we don't want this text to be saying free shipping on orders over $70. Remember, our store is in naira. So to change this text at the top here, we want to come here and go to our customize section again, look for this layout option, click on layouts, then let's say top bar, then this is our text. So let's say, so we can either remove the text in total, let's say you don't want anything to be there, or if you still want something to be there, let's say free shipping on orders over 2000 naira. Right, so just click on publish to save that. So if you come back, reload, then see that the text there has changed to free shipping on orders over let's make it over 20,000 naira. 2,000 naira sounds small. Let's say over 20,000 naira. Okay, so click on publish. Then if you come back here and you refresh, see, so let's go to our home page also. Let's see what it looks like. So there we go, the changes are also being implemented on our home page. So if you go back to our shop page, to our products page, then let's act like we want to shop for these products. Then I click on add to cart. I also click on checkouts. Okay, all right, so it will show us that we don't have a payment method available. All right, so what we want to do now is we want to add a payment gateway. So the payment gateway we want to add is Paystack. All right, so to add Paystack, I'll be sharing a link to a video on how you can set up your Paystack account. All right, so that will guide you on how you can set up your Paystack account, get your Paystack account verified. So after you've set up your Paystack account, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to your WordPress dashboard. Alright, then you want to go to plugins. And click on add plugin. So also on how to set up your Paystack, you can just also simply check on YouTube on how to set up a Paystack account. So I don't want to make this video too long, but what I can also do is I can also attach a video link in the description on how you can set up your Paystack account. But after you've done that, just simply come back to your WordPress dashboard and install the Paystack plugin, so you can connect your Paystack account to your website. So what you do is, once you've come here, you click on search, then search for Paystack. Then you click on install now. This is the one you're looking for, Paystack WooCommerce Payment Gateway. Then click on activate. So there you go. So after creating your Paystack account, after going through the process of creating your Paystack account, this will be your Paystack dashboard. As you can see from my URL, this is dashboard.paystack.com. So after you've finished setting up your Paystack account, you have a dashboard like this. Alright, so this dashboard you are seeing is different from my normal website dashboard, so you don't get things mixed up. So after creating your Paystack account, you have a dashboard like this. So what you want to go and do next, you want to click on settings. Alright, you want to get our API keys. So you come here and you will see this place that says live secret key, and you can also see your test secret key. So what we're going to do next, we'll go back to our WordPress website and we want to look for our Paystack plugin. I'll click on settings. So click on enable Paystack so that the payment gateway can start working. Then you want to scroll down. So what you can do is, after you finish setting up your Paystack account in your dashboard, you see these two options, the live mode and the test mode. Right. So if you want to test things out, alright, you don't want to you want to see how the payment gateway works, you can use your test keys, right? Your test secret key and your test public key. But if you have already tested things out and you want to start receiving live transactions on your website, you can use your live secret key and your live public key. But because I just want to test things out and I want to show you the process, I'll be using the test keys. So what I'll do is I'll copy out my test secret key, go back to my website, WordPress website, and I'll make sure that this test mode is selected. But if you are using your live keys and you want to start receiving live transactions, unselect it. Alright, once you unselect it, you'll see live mode. But if you want to use test mode, enable test mode, then paste your secret key here, then go back to your Paystack and copy the live public key, the test public key, then go back here and click on and paste it. After pasting it, you want to save changes. So we've successfully integrated Paystack on our website. So if we come back here and I reload this, then you'll see that the payment option is now available. So what I'll do is, let's say somebody wants to buy from our website and the person has selected the product and added to cart, so the person wants to check out. So the person will fill in their email address here and also fill in their shipping address or their delivery address where the product will be delivered to. So I'm just going to fill in all of this, fill in my name, company name is optional, so I'll just take that out, fill in my address, fill in all the necessary information, then I'll come down here and click on place order. So it will automatically redirect me to a page where I can make payments for my products. So I can pay using my card or I can pay via bank transfer. Right, so once the person has made payments, right, the transaction will become successful and the person will receive a notification that they just placed an order on our website. So let's see if I go to my Gmail and I check, let's see, there we go, receipts for our purchase. So this is from Paystack saying we just made a payment of 20,000 naira for our item, and also this is also the Paystack receipts. Alright, so that is how the process is when someone pays for an item on your website. So you as the owner of the website, how can you see the orders that have been placed? So you go back to your WordPress dashboard, then you see this place where you have orders, you click on orders. Alright, then you will see all the orders that have been placed. So this is the one we just placed, that was just placed recently. Then if I click on the order details, I click on it, then you see all of the information concerning the order. So you can use this information also. You maybe want to reach out to the client that, oh, we've just seen your order and we'll be shipping it to you or we'll be delivering it to you at so time. So you can see all of those information here about the client. Right, so you can see the phone number, their address and everything. So in case you want to make some certain confirmations and all of that. So after you must have probably delivered the item to the client, you can come back here and click completed to change the order status. Alright, so after clicking completed, that is after you must have delivered the product to your customer, click on update. Right, then the client will also receive an email confirmation that thank you for buying with us and your order has been successfully completed. Right, so that is how the whole ordering process works. And as usual, once payment is made via Paystack, your payment is sent to you, and maybe within some few hours or within 24 hours, Paystack will now credit you your amounts, right, directly to your bank account. So that's just it on the payment aspects on your site. So another thing we have to look at is the user aspects. All right, so how can people sign up on our website? So let's open our website in a new tab. Let's open the website in a new tab. So I'll just open an incognito window. So let's say, what's our website address again? Okay, so the reason why I didn't do all of this now, all the thing I want to show you now in the previous window is because I don't want to operate as an admin. I want to use act like I'm a user itself. Alright, so let's say someone comes to our website and the person clicks on this place, which is login stroke register. We only see a login form, but we want people to be able to register also on our website, because they can't log in if they have not signed up on our website. So what we will do is we'll go to our settings in our WordPress admin dashboard. So let's say, so we want to go to WooCommerce, then we want to click on settings. Then we want to click on accounts and privacy. Accounts and privacy. And we want to select allow customers to create an account on my accounts page. Then we come down here and click on save changes. Okay, so if you come right here and we reload, you see that we now have a register form for our users. So they can simply register by inputting their email address and clicking on register. So after that, a mail will be sent to them, then they can finish the registration process by changing their password and all of that. So after registering, this is what our users dashboard will look like. So they can see their orders, their addresses and their payment methods, and they can also edit their account details. Alright, so this is what our user dashboard will look like. Then another thing I want to show you is that if our users go to their shop page, they can actually add items to wish list. So let's say they don't want to buy anything now, but they've seen some products that they are interested in. They can come right here and click on this art icon here, and the products will be added to their wish list. As you can see, it says vintage t-shirt added to wish list. And anytime they want to see their wish list, they can click on this art icon and they can see their wish list, and they can proceed to buy them if they want and stuff like that. Yep, so that's it on that. And looking at our shop menu here, there are some items that we would like to take away, which we don't want here. So I want this shop full width to be our shop, to be right here, and we want to remove some menu items that we don't need here. So to do that, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. So you go to appearance, then go to menus, so we'll click on this and select primary menu, click on select, and then we want to click on box select, and we want to remove this is invalid. Then we want to also remove this blog, and we just click on remove selected items, and then we want to make this our main shop page. So I'll move this, and I will remove this also. So I'll rename this to become shop, so it will be our main shop page. Then move all of this to be there under drop downs. Yep. So after that, I'll just click on save to save menu. So if you come to our website and I go to the home page, now you see that we have just this: checkout and cart. Let me also look from the incognito tab, from the user aspect. So if you go to our home page now, you see we only have the shop, my account, checkout and cart. So let's log out first and go to the home page. So there we go. So if I click on shop, it takes us to the shop page. If I click on my account, I can just simply log in with my own details. Right. So that's it basically on how you can edit your menus and make them look this way. So another thing I would like to show you is how you can confirm orders from your mobile phone. Alright, so let's say you don't want to always be visiting your website, so you can download the WooCommerce app on your mobile phone, then manage the orders from on your website. You can see people who bought from you, who placed orders, and you can also do the same management we did from our WooCommerce dashboard here, which we did under orders. So there's a way you can do these things from your smartphone. Right. So how you can do that is, let's say, click on WooCommerce. So it will take us to a setup page. So click on this page that says set up my store. Then we'll leave it at I'm just starting my business. Then you give it your store name, put your store name. So I'll just name this Immanet Collection. Then what industry? Say clothing and accessories. Then where is your store located? Say Nigeria. Then email address. You can change this, or you can put your Gmail address, whichever one you want. Then click on continue. So I'm going to unselect all of this, unselect all of this, then click on continue. So yeah, here we are. Click on this button that says get the free WooCommerce mobile app. Then you see this barcode. You can scan it from your mobile phone, whether you're using an Android or an iOS. So once you scan it, it will take you to your Play Store, then you can download it. Alright, so once you download it from your Play Store into your phone, you will then see the instructions to connect your website. So it's very simple. Just follow the process. Then you can connect your website and you can start seeing all your orders from your mobile phone. Alright, so that's it, guys. That is how you can manage your orders from your mobile phone. So with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial on how you can build an e-commerce website using a free theme. So we've been able to cover how you can buy a domain name and an hosting. We've looked at um, how you can add products and how you can also proceed to checkout. And we also looked at how you can also integrate a payment gateway, which we also used Paystack. So before I forget, let me show you how you can also edit some items on your website. So let's say you want to change some things and you don't like some images or some text. So let me show you how you can edit that. So to edit, apart from using the customize button, to edit the other items, you can click on edit with Elementor. Okay, just click skip for now. So let's say I don't like this text, so I want to say we are proud to welcome you. So instead of we are proud to introduce you, we are, let's say you are welcome. Let's say you welcome to, and I'll say Imanet collection. Imanet collection clothes and accessories. This is just a demo, so on your website you can add whichever information you want. So I'm going to also change this. Instead of exclusively from Hostify, I would say premium and affordable clothing. Affordable clothing. Premium and affordable clothing. So instead of learn more, I want to say, so edit that button. I'll just click on edit button. So I want to say shop now. To say shop now. So I'll go ahead and copy the link to my shop page. Let me visit my website again. If you visit the website, so I just copy the link to the shop page. I'll right click and click on copy link address. I'll come back here where we have link. I'll edit this and paste the link there. So I'll click on publish. So remember to always click on publish whenever you make changes. So as to save your changes. So to edit this background, so let's say I don't like this image, I want to use something else. I will just right click and let me click on structure. I want to know which particular element is holding that image. So I think it's this container. Alright, so I'll click on style. Then this is the image here. So I'll upload my own image. So So this is the image I want to use instead. Then I'll click on select. There we go. Amazing. So I just click on publish again, so I won't forget, so I have to save it. So that's the same way you can also change all of these items. So anything you want to change, be it a text, just click on it. If it's an image, click on it. Then you can come in here and upload your images and make any changes. So that's how you can customize your website on any page, right? So if you go to our website now, after we must have clicked on publish to save changes, if I reload now, yeah, so you can see the new change. So it's looking nice, and this is also a good background image. So that's how you can make changes on your website using Edit with Elementor. On your contacts page, if you want to edit the page, also go to your contacts page, then click on Edit with Elementor to edit any element on that particular page. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also click on the subscribe button. If you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to leave a like and also share to friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys some other time.